guys, today I'm going to toy review this awesome toy. So let's open it. There's this one, super cute. Here are the paints, like a teal color, pink, and purple. Here are the instructions. Okay. It smells really good. It says here, start making a swirl from the outside, then lift yours as you swirl inward. Well, this didn't come with the swirler, so I don't know how we're going to do this. Maybe this is Play-Doh.
Can you belch? Can you belch like burp? Can you burp? That's good. That's good. That's very good. All right, listen. This teacher, this famous teacher, he teaches a lot of rich kids and plays for the symphonies and all that, right? All right, you belch every few minutes while you're practicing. Okay. You apologize to him, but you keep belching to offend every sensibility he has, right? Very good. You'll be back in the pool in 24 hours, guaranteed. Right, Sam? Hola. Lupita Ramos? Thank you.
This is made out of Play-Doh. I guess we're going to just roll it up. That's really good. Really cool. Okay, so that's really cool. So yeah, I just wanted to toy review this, and this is actually really, really cool. See so I got like a little ball of purple. I'll get a little ball of pink next. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.